From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of boring alarm clocks that just don't get the job done? Well, I've got a solution for you with the Alarm Clock Cute Fashion Student Alarm Clock from LSSOEZ's Vivienne. This thing is a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. The Alarm Clock Cute Fashion Student Alarm Clock is 100% brand new and high quality, with a durable ABS shell that's not easy to break. So you can throw it in your backpack or drop it on the floor without worrying about it shattering into a million pieces. The small size is also a major plus. It won't spend too much space on your nightstand or desk, and the anti-slip arc design keeps it stably standing, so it won't slip or fall over. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's well-reviewed and popular. One of the things I love about this alarm clock is the ease of setup. The buttons are clicky and responsive, and the interface is intuitive, so you can easily set your alarms and get on with your day. The alarm itself is loud and clear, with a nice strong sound that will wake you up even if you're a heavy sleeper. In real life, I've found this alarm clock to be super useful. Whether I'm getting ready for work or need to wake up early for a flight, it's been a reliable companion. The compact size also makes it perfect for travel, so you can take it with you on the go. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Alarm Clock Cute Fashion Student Alarm Clock from LSSOEZ's Vivienne. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a durable and easy-to-use alarm clock, so if you're in the market for a new alarm clock, I definitely recommend giving this one a try. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.